Honey.
Let's learn about honeybees. There are more than 20,000 species of bees. Honeybees have 5 eyes and 6 legs. They live in hives or colonies. The members of the hive are divided into 3 types: queen, workers, and drones. Bees can see all colors except red. That and their sense of smell help them find the flowers they need to collect pollen. Honeybees are great flyers. They fly at a speed of around 25 km per hour and beat their wings 200 times per second. The average beehive can house around 50,000 bees. Each bee has 170 odorant receptors, which means they have one serious sense of smell. Carpenter bees create tunnels that usually look about 1 or 2 inches deep, but they can be up to 10 feet long. Worker bees go from one flower to another, collecting nectar. In one collection trip, a bee visits 50 to 100 flowers. The queen bee lays all of the eggs in a colony. At the height of the season, she may lay over 2,500 eggs per day. It takes 21 days for an egg to develop into an adult bee. Honeybees pollinate more than 100 different crops in the US.